That new armor is fairly impressive, X.
Isn't it though? Reduced damage, improved sensors, huge speed boost. Not to mention, a heck of a charge shot. I'm sure it'll be really useful later.
Attention hunters! Maverick attack underway in City Sector B5.
On my way, Alia. Fire up the ride chasers. X, what about... I hope I find some upgrades.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold on, X! Are you on the internet?
Nah, Zero, it's cool. I've browsered before. Wait. What the... But then why... There's no way. We don't even look like that!
What the heck did you find now?
Who would even make this?
Zero. What is this Star Force thing? It's strange and disturbing.
Shh. It's alright, X. It's gone. And never coming back.
Zero! Remember when you gave me your Buster data?
Of course. Why?
I had a great idea! A double charge shot!
I think I'll just step back a bit. Huh. I guess we have a new door through the base now.
2 doors!